Book now, pay later. If you want to pay for a hotel on booking.com using Klarna, here's exactly how it works and when the option appears. So first up, guys, you need to choose a Klarna eligible hotel. So not all properties support Klarna. So what to look for? You can just select a hotel that shows pay later, flexible payment, or Klarna at checkout. If you don't see it, Klarna isn't available for that booking. Then select your room and continue. Choose your room and click reserve or book now. And then continue until you reach the payment step. And then choose Klarna as payment method. So on the payment screen, select Klarna. If Klarna does not appear, that means that it's not supported for that hotel or it's not available in your country. Also, don't forget about the important step, which is the Klarna verification. So you'll be redirected to Klarna, choose your plan, pay later, pay in installments, or pay now, and confirm with SMS or the Klarna app. And after that, after approval, you will return to your booking.com website, and then your reservation is confirmed, and Klarna handles the payment. And then some important notes for you guys. Klarna availability depends on country and hotel. Some bookings require pay at property instead. Klarna may also charge late fees if payments are missed. And this is pretty much how you pay with Klarna. On booking.com, choose a supported hotel, select Klarna at checkout, and confirm your plan. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any other questions, leave them down below, and see you soon.